Alright, I'm inside SweetLulu Restaurant on Queen Street West, 696 Queen Street West. And I finally came in because on an impromptu because I wasn't sure what to eat. And they're open. They're open till 9. Every time I come by here, they close. So I'm like, okay, we gotta go in here and try their Oxtail Pho. It's a large bowl, and it's $25 and change. So, because oxtail is pricey to begin with to buy even at the meat store, so I guess to be expected. But look at quite a bit of things, and then I think let me try to do this here. And there will be rice noodle, I think, underneath. Lots. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is a good portion. There's lots of rice noodle underneath with broth. I know it's a hot day. It's 30 Celsius here in Toronto, and I'm having soup on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. This is going to be my review for what's cooking with Lizzo C. And I got myself a guava drink. This is bringing me back to my childhood. I haven't had guava nectar in a long time, back when I was a little girl with my mama. Okay, so nice tender oxtail. It's already falling off the bone, so I haven't had oxtail in a while, so it's really good. Nice basic broth soup. And some rice noodle. There we go. Fall off the bone. If you're ever down on Queen Street, come check out SweetLulu, 696 Queen Street West. We have deep fried wontons, other noodle dishes, other things on the menu. But I came in for their Oxtail Pho.